Today guys, we're gonna be looking at another Afrofusion beat, and we're gonna be showing you this new plugin that has some nice drum that you can actually use. Right now, DW, I'm just gonna play you guys what the beat sounds like.
See, I wanna make you mine, yeah. But you the do, so gotta, because your body not gotta jump. And this your body not that, yeah. But you the do, so gotta, because your body not gotta jump.
Yep, and so you get the vibe, you get the fusion, you know, you get the bounce, get the swing. I'm gonna show you guys the drums, and you can see I have all the drums routed, like all the drums playing on one pattern, and I'm gonna show you guys this amazing plugin by East West. So we have the drums. Yeah, so this is the plugin I'm talking about. It's called Drum X. It's like all the drum machine. I wish I had the drum machine to be able to program it, but the sweet thing about this plugin is that you have all the drums layered already. You have different sounds, you know, and we have different drums. We have DMX, DR110. These are like classic drums that, you know, we're using the 80s to create those amazing R&B kind of vibe. But not too much long talk. Let's just see how this plugin works. So once you select your sound, you could just come over here, and with each of these sound you can control the volume, the pan, the tune, the transpose. Like each of these sound has its own envelope, and you could also come here and mix in those sounds. They have lots of plugins in this drum, so the mixing of this drum was done right in this plugin. You can see I didn't do anything on the drums, but you can see how is hitting. I don't have anything on my insert. So yeah, what I did was, you know, the normal bounce, and this was what I played. I've saved my preset, so I'm just gonna open up the preset that the drums I created. So I created this Afrofusion here, and I'm just gonna go to the grid, and you know, you are familiar with this grid. This is like the grid that is right in FL, so you could arrange your drums. So I'm just gonna play this. Yeah, so you just have this. Yeah, so you can see the drive. You can add your rim shot layer. So this is basically the drum groove. We have our kick. Let me just go to the mix and let's unmute the kick. So we have our kick here, just the same way you arrange it on FL Studio channel rack is the same way you can arrange it here. And I told you guys that this is where you always put your rim shot, which is on the four. These are the same thing when you come to your rack here and here is where you put your rim shot. But yeah, the same thing. I'm just arranging everything. And why I decided to use this drum is because of the amazing analog plugins it has. That's just gonna give you drum weight. It's gonna give you that energy for the Afrofusion. So yeah, so I have the tom, I have the hi-hat, the tom, I have some the kick, some rim shots, some hats, some tom. So basically this is quite easy if I want to add on that sound. All right, so yeah, so we have our rim shot here, and like I told you, for your kick, you can decide to put your kick anywhere. So I could have a kick like, or have another one. So it depends, but you can see my rim shot here. I could add a clap if I want to. And if you feel anyone is loud, you could come over here, come over to the pad, select that sound, and just, you know, add some transfer to it, reduce the volume, play around with it. And what I did after making my drums was that I added some transit. You could add some drive to it. Let me increase this drive all the way, so I get some distortion. So just a little bit. You could add some crush to it. Yeah, so that's why I would choose to use this plugin, and just to experiment. You know, sometimes you're just stuck using the same sounds and you just want to experiment. So this is a plugin I'm gonna say you could experiment with, because you know, it's just amazing. After I was done, I saved my preset, so whenever I want to use it, I could just come over to it. Then I came over to this drag over here, and I could drag in this groove and place it, so I have it on my piano roll. So I have this now. You could see the drums, everything nice. And so that was how I was able to create these particular drums, because I could also come over to the mix section and I load lots of plugins. They have lots of plugins you could add to your drums, which is amazing. From then another insert, I created these toms. So another instance of the drum machine, and what I'm playing here, just playing some percussions. So with that, everything, we have our drum sounding nice. That's everything with the Afrofusion. Afrofusion is a vibe that is bouncy and very, very easy to make. Like this is, and for me on BeatStars now, this is the vibe that has really been, you know, giving me that ka-cham sound. I know you guys that sell on BeatStars, you know that sound. So for the chords, I use Diva. I'm using Diva. I'm using HS Sparkle. So I just rendered it as wave. So I have this. So in case you want to see the chords, this is what we have for the chords. I'm just moving from the 6 to the 5 to the 2. Yep, there, you know, my guy Mykah did his vocals on this and, you know, just killed it. So, you know, a lot of times less is more. Sometimes you just need to just do little and you have a vibe. That's, in this case, that's what we have here. A very, very simple, just simple drum with your chord and your guitar. And that's everything for the beats. And trust me guys, it was just this plugin that brought this whole vibe. As I was just experimenting, playing around with the plugin, I was like, oh, okay, I could create a vibe with this. Yeah, so you can see some of the drum loops that I did there, you know, classic hip-hop vibe, 808 with the pop. The drums right here, but you know, this. So you have some drum loops, but this didn't just fit my style of what I wanted to, you know, showcase. So I just want to show you guys that you could also use this plugin. In case you have this plugin, you could use it to create some nice Afrofusion. All right, so let's listen to the vibe.
See, I wanna make you mine, yeah. But you the do, shakara, because your body now got a jar. And this your body now that, yeah. But you the do, shakara, because your body now got a jar.
Yeah, this is a vibe, man. So guys, just be showing you guys another easy way you can create an Afrofusion. And if you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.